the region specified by this function rho phi z z rho phi z in the region 3 to 5 pi by 8 to pi by 4 3 to 4.5 in cylindrical coordinates has a volume of what is cylindrical coordinate. This is cylindrical coordinate. We know xy z coordinate. This is x, y, and z coordinate. X, y, z coordinate. In the same way, cylindrical coordinate is there. Cylindrical coordinate means it is like cylinder. That's why it is cylindrical coordinate. Here, this is the origin. If rho increases, it increases like this. It increases like this. It increases like this. Rho. This is rho, the first parameter. The second parameter is the angle of that rho. Angle of that rho. This is theta. Phi. This angle of theta. So, if theta and phi varies, it defines an area. The area is defined by rho and theta. If angle is this much, pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4, like that, if they say this defines an area. So rho and phi defines an area. If you multiply this with z, then it forms a volume, that is z. So this height represents z coordinate. So rho, phi, and z is a cylindrical coordinate. What is the volume for this range? Rho is varying from 3 to 5. So this is 3, 5. So in this much radius is from 3 to 5. Radius is varied. Then angle is varied from pi by 4 to pi by 8. Pi by 8 to pi by 4. Pi by 8 means 12.5 degree. So this is 12.5 degree, and this is 45 degree. Pi by 4, pi by 4, this is 45. This much area, this is a section of that cylinder. Then you take this part up to bottom, you take this part up to bottom for a height of 3 to this height is 4.5, and this is 3. So 3 to 4.5. What is the volume of this? That we have to find. So to find that triple integral gives the volume. Rho varies from 3 to 5, and then that phi varies from pi by 8 to pi by 4. Pi by 4, and z varies from 3 to 4.5. That's all. The volume is rho d rho d phi dz. That's all. So this we have to find. So if you find the limits are not in the other variables. If the limits are in terms of other variables, then we have to do one by one integration. But here also we must do like that. If there are variables, there is no variables in the limits. That's why we can do all at a time. Otherwise, we cannot do all at a time. So if you do this, you will get the rho square divided by 2. The limit is 3 to 5. And then if you do phi, you will get 5. D phi, you will get 5, because it is these two are constant. Rho square by 2. First time if you integrate rho square by 2, it is constant as far as phi is concerned. Therefore, if you integrate this, you will get 5. The limit is pi by 8 to pi by 4, upper limit. Then this phi is independent of z. So this here also, if you integrate dz, you will get z. Its limit is 3 to 4.5. That's all. So if you calculate these values, why 25 divided 25 divided by 2 minus 9 by 2 multiplied by pi by 4 minus pi by 8 multiplied by 4.5 minus 3. So what you will get 25 minus 9 16 by 2 equal to 8. So this is 2 pi by 8, therefore pi by 8, this is pi by 8 multiplied by 1.5. Therefore the answer is 3 by 2 pi. 1.5 is 3 by 2, therefore 3 by 2 pi. The answer is 3 by 2 pi. That is A is the answer.